Hey, Blessed in the Country family. Today we're going to be making a brown rice with ground chicken and ground turkey rice bowl. It is so easy and so simple, so just follow me along for the steps and always remember to just make it your own. Look at that. So first of all, we're going to take just a red pepper or whatever kind of pepper you got. I just happen to have a red pepper in my refrigerator. Of course, I always have peppers or something. So I'm going to use what I have. I always tell you to use what you got. And we're going to just do a rough chop because I'm going to put it in my chopper and chop it. That way I get nice, even chops and I don't have to worry about it, how it cooks. Then I'm going to take a medium-sized onion that I've peeled, and it's a whole onion, so I'm going to use the whole onion. And then again, I'm going to show you the size I'm using of my chopper. And then I'm going to do just a rough, thick chop of those onions because I want them to be nice and chunky. We're not looking to do small chunk. We want to have chunks of vegetable in it. So we want to get all of that chopped up and get that in there. That's how it looks, nice and chunky. Next, I'm going to chop up my zucchini. And again, we're just going to do a rough chop on these. I am going to split them down the middle because I only have one because I thought I was going to be getting a big one, but I did the grocery store pickup and they gave me a small one. Usually you get these huge pieces of zucchini, but they had a small one, so I'm going to try to stretch it as much as I can. Remember, use what you got. Just come up with an idea to make it last, to do what you need it to do. All right, I'm just going to get this chopped, and there we go. There's plenty of zucchini in there. Not as big as what I wanted, but it's okay. All right, now I've got my broccoli here, and I'm going to try to cut it as pretty as my husband does. Normally when we have salad and we put broccoli in our salad, he can cut this broccoli so beautiful. So I'm going to try to do it the way he does. Trust me, it's not going to be as pretty as what he does. Also into our rice bowl, we're going to be putting some canned mushrooms. All right, so I'm going to get this sauteed, put my olive oil in. I got some salt and some pepper just to kind of help those onions and pepper sweat and get soft so they'll be nice and sweet and juicy. This is just the base of our rice bowl. I want to get this done first because I'm going to use this one pan if at all possible. That's my goal for the day, is just to use one pan. So I'm going to saute these, take these out, and then I'll get my turkey in, but I'm going to get my brown rice going first. So I'm actually going to use two pans, and also I've got to steam my rice. That was my husband. But I'm going to first I'm going to steam my broccoli first. I don't want to put the broccoli in here. I want to steam it. And look how beautiful our vegetables are. And we're just going to take them out and we're going to set them aside because we're going to use the same pan to brown our ground meat in and get it cooked all the way through. Make sure you cook your meat all the way through. But that looks delicious. Yum, yum. All right, so with that same pan, we're just going to add us some olive oil in that pan. And this is my ground chicken. And then I'm going to add my ground turkey. That's a pound of ground turkey. And you don't have to mix your meats. But I found this at Walmart. Garlic and herb seasoning blend. Kind of like the Mrs. Dash. So I've tried it before and it was okay. It doesn't have the flavor that you get from Mrs. Dash. But in a crunch it'll do. And it's much cheaper. So, use what you want. And then today we're going to just add some salt and pepper. Use the amount that you want, that you desire for your family. You know how your family likes stuff. We don't like. We might not like the way someone else fixes it. So you just go ahead and gear this recipe to your liking. The broccoli is looking good as it is nice and tender. Then I'm going to add in some paprika. I always like to add paprika in with my ground turkey. I just think that it gives the ground turkey a better flavor. I forgot to take off my little thing. I usually take them off and throw them away. I forgot to take it off. I got a new bottle. Our broccoli is nice and tender. Oh, that looks good. Nice and steamed. Look how beautiful deep green that is. All righty. Here's my rice. I'm going to put that on to get that going. I'm going to add some stuff to it. You don't have to. So I'm going to add some salt to it. I'm not going to do pepper, but a nice amount of salt. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil in there. And I'm probably going to drop a couple of sprigs of garlic in mine. All right, so here our ground meat is all done. We're going to add those lovely vegetables over in that same pan. And we're going to get this all mixed in together. Look at that. That's delicious looking already. All righty, and to that, we're going to add the deliciously steamed broccoli. Oh, look how that just brightens up the dish even more. That is absolutely beautiful. And we're just going to stir it in. So you want to just get it all stirred in now. Being careful not to break it or separate it or cause it to, just fall apart and just have bits and pieces of broccoli all over. You want it to be chunks, okay? Looks good. All righty, look at that. Woo, what a beautiful, beautiful dish. There's our brown rice, nice and fluffy. And we're going to go ahead and scoop us up a nice spoonful or two of that rice. Put it on there. And then we're going to get, it's just this. Let me turn it down a little bit. Look at this. Look at this. What you, That's so delicious. Now, if you wanted to put some sliced some sliced carrots in it, oh, that would be awesome. Whatever you would like to put in it, and you can top it off with whatever you want, or just eat it like this. But I've chose to top mine off with some ranch dressing. And there you have it right there. That's looking absolutely fabulous. Whatever sauce you desire to put on it, you put on yours. But we're going to enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you real soon.